Just got done watching the movie Gulliver's Travels, rated PG, from 2010. It is a 1 hour and 25 minute long family kids movie. Comedy, family, kids is the genres. Jack Black finds himself in the land of Littleput, where he towers over its tiny citizens in this adaptation of the classic novel. I thought they actually did a pretty good job with this. What do you think, Lisa?
Yeah, very family friendly. Little bit of, little kid jokes and everything. Wasn't nothing like raunchy or anything. So
no.
Yeah, like they did a really good job.
Yeah, I thought it was done well. I liked the casting a lot. The storyline was really good. I thought it was a really nice new take on Gulliver's Travels. So, yeah, I would recommend it. I will link it below. If you've seen this movie, let me know what you thought of it. And if you haven't seen this movie before, do you like any of the Gulliver Travel adaptations? I've only seen a few of them, like maybe 2 others. Not a lot of them, but this has been my favorite adaptation of it so far.
Yeah.
I would give this a solid 3 out of 5 stars. How many stars would you give it?
Yeah, 3.
3 out of 5. Thank you so much for watching this review, and we will see you in the next one.